Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Karyn at Starts and Stitches. I'll leave Karyn's link below. We've each made a dress and you'll want to see them both. We brought out our American Girl dolls and did a Valentine's dress, and I really like this pattern. Karyn found this free pattern online. I will leave a link in my description. And in that 60s looking in the little boots, I love it. Karyn said, let's do it with the collar and the additional stripe at the bottom. I think it turned out really cute. This was an easy pattern. I was going to show you real quick. I always print 2 or more, and then I cut the pattern on one, but I keep an additional pattern, like I have this whole thing copied out for reference in the future. So what I did was I copied an extra one of just the pattern, cut that out, and then I put it in a bag and pin it to it. Very easy pattern. I honestly don't know, I didn't time it, but a little over an hour from cutout to finish. And my new machine and I are getting along really well, I am happy to say, which means I am back to getting some things going around here, and oh, that feels so good. So here is my little AG and her little Valentine's Day dress. We want to wish you each a very happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.